فهل من مدكر.
And we have certainly made the Quran easy for remembrance. So is there any who will remember?
When there is ya sakin is preceded by kasrah, we extend the sound of the kasrah for 2 harakat. For example, qila, qila, dini, dini, mi'ada, yuridu, muhitun. When there is a kasrah before small ya, we also stretch it for 2 harakat. For example, bihi, bihi, kutubihi, rusulihi, amalihi, sabilihi, zinatihi, ibadihi.
Vertical kasrah. Vertical kasrah produces the same sound as the letter ya. Example.
Be, be,
Vertical kasrah.
e, be, 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 je, he, he, de, re, 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 se, she, se, re, طي ضي عي ضي في قي كي لي مي ne, we, ye, ye.
Blue-colored alphabets are huruf mustalia. These are read in a thick voice.
Khi, si, zi, طي ضي ضي قي.
ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
And we have certainly made the Quran easy for remembrance. So is there any who will remember?